Start na. Start na.
Good afternoon to each and everyone. Before we start our PREBID conference for pre-infrastructure projects FY 2024, may we call on Engineer Antonio Aracipida to lead the opening prayer.
Stand.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Heavenly God, our Father, we thank you for the life of as your knowledge, wisdom, and righteousness. That we will do all things give us all the comfort of the rising gospel. We'll pray about it. Lastly, we contract. We ask this for our Lord Jesus Christ. In the unity of the Holy Spirit.
Good day again. May we call on our back secretariat member to do the roll call of the members of the back, DPWH, members as well as the contractor representative who are present today. Good afternoon, everyone. Engineer Nisipana, back secretary, present. Engineer Clara, Engineer Juan, back Engineer G.D. Fernal, back secretary member. Engineer Antonio Aaron,
Present.
Engineer Carlo Jan and Rosa, back provisional member.
Present.
Mr. Francis Anthony Leo, back secretariat member.
Present.
Engineer Antoinette A. Tolentino, back secretariat staff. And yours truly, Engineer Warren H. back secretariat member. It seems that there are no observers and contractors representative present. Based on Section 22.3 of 2016 Revised IRR ORA 9184 and ICA 9.1, attendance shall not be mandatory. Since the majority of the back members are here, I declare this PREBID conference for the infrastructure projects FY 2024 today and tomorrow. I will now call this PREBID conference to order. I will give the floor to our back secretariat member to read and discuss today's PREBID conference.
Agenda of today's PREBID conference. 1. Brief presentation or explanation by the back of the following. Basic contract data including contract description, ABC, and duration. Requirements of bidding documents including instruction to bidders, general conditions of contract, special conditions of contract, specifications, drawings, bill of quantities, and costs. Documents to be submitted by the bidders are technical proposal and financial proposal. Criteria and procedure for bid check, preliminary examination of bids, detailed evaluation of bids, post-qualification, and award. Number 2, questions or comments from bidders and replies about and other possibilities of procuring and bidding. 3, other matters, and lastly, summary of proceedings including supplemental or bid notice.
I declare this agenda approved. We will call on Engineer Carlo Leza to enumerate the basic contract data of the project and followed by Japet Limanuel. Also read the requirements of the bidding documents.
The DPWH Iloilo First District Engineering Office, through its Bids and Award Committee, now invites bid for the hereunder projects. For the first project, name of contract, construction of multi-purpose building, People Center with Pavement, Barangay Poblacion, Miagao, Iloilo, under contract ID number 24GF0074. Location, Miagao, Iloilo. Scope of works, Part A. Facilities for the engineer. Part B, other general requirements. Division 1, general. Part C, earthwork. Part D, reinforced concrete. Part E, finishing and other civil works. Part F, electrical. Approved budget for the contract, 29,400,000 pesos. Contract duration, 211 calendar days. Pickup license category, C and D small b. Cost of bidding documents, 25,000 pesos. For the next project, name of contract, rehabilitation of Igbaras multipurpose building, Igbaras, Iloilo, under contract ID number 24GF0093. Location, Igbaras, Iloilo. Part E. Scope of work, Part 2. Other general requirements. Section 2, buildings. Part B, finishing and other civil works. Part F, electrical. Part G, mechanical. Approved budget for the contract, 9,900,000 pesos. Contract duration, 120 calendar days. Pickup license category, C and D small b. Cost of bidding documents, 10,000 pesos. For the third contract, name of contract, construction of school building with facilities in Igbaras Central Elementary School, Poblacion, Igbaras, Iloilo. Under contract ID 24GF0136. Location, Igbaras, Iloilo. Scope of work, Volume 2. Part C, earthwork. Part A, miscellaneous structures. Volume 3, Part A, facilities for the engineer. Part B, other general requirements. For Division 1, General, Part C, Earthwork, Part D, Reinforced Concrete Works, and for Division 2 Buildings, Part E, Finishing and other civil works, Part F, Electrical, and Part G, Mechanical. Approved budget for the contract, 47,880,000 pesos. Contract duration, 270 calendar days. Pickup license category, B, medium A. Cost of bidding documents, 25,000 pesos.
Interested leaders seeking further information from DPWH Iloilo First District Engineering Office and inspect the bidding documents at the House Street, Barangay, during weekdays Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. A complete set of bidding documents may be acquired by interested leaders on June 4, 2024 from the address given at the payment of applicable fee for the bidding documents. It may also be downloaded free of charge from the website of the Philippine Government Electronic Procurement System or PHEVS on the website of the Procurement Authority, provided that leaders shall pay the applicable fee for the bidding documents not later than the submission of their bids. Bid submission will be done manually or electronically online. However, leaders should always select one mode of submission, either manual or electronic. Similar to manual submission, the guidelines for the preparation and submission of an electronic bid are contained in the mid-page. Bids must be duly received by the Bank Secretariat, the address given, for manual submission or at electronic bids underscore Iloilo1 at dpwh.gov.ph for electronic submission on or before June 24, 2024 at time. All bids must be accompanied by bid security including accessible forms and the amount stated in Section of Leaders Clause 18. Bid opening shall be on June 24, 2024 under the eligibility processing at Procurement Office, DPWH Iloilo First District Engineering Office, Rizal Street, Limbal, Iloilo. Bids will be open in the presence in the bidders' representatives who comes to attend at their meeting. Late bid shall not be accepted. The DPWH Iloilo First District Engineering Office reserves the right to reject any and all bids, declare a failure of bidding, or not award a contract any time prior to contract award in accordance with Section 41, Article 994, and its IRR without hereby incurring any liability to the affected bidder or bidders.
Madam, I will not discuss the bidding requirements in here because the requirements of the bidding documents are stipulated in Philippine Bidding Documents 627. We suggest that the bidder should bring these documents.
Okay. Now we proceed with the technical, financial, and eligibility requirements. Our Bank Secretariat member will be the one to read the requirements as well as the criteria and procedure for eligibility check, preliminary examination of bids, detailed evaluation of bids, cost qualification, and award.
Madam Chairperson, since the documents required in the technical and financial components are mentioned in the instruction to bidders, I will not elaborate further. However, Engineer Filipino will continue to discuss criteria and procedure for eligibility of bids, detailed evaluation of bids, post qualification, and award.
opening a preliminary examination of technical components of bids. The purpose of this examination is solely to determine the presence or absence of each of the required documents comprising the bid, as stated in section 3.5.2, using a simple non-discretionary act or after the preliminary examination of the technical components of the bids, the bank, assisted by its box secretariat, shall conduct the eligibility check of each bidder that passes the documentary requirements for the technical components of the bids. That is, the bank shall determine if the bidder is eligible to bid for the contract being procured. This shall be done electronically. Preliminary examination of financial compliance. The bank shall then open the financial compliance with technical component of the bid was passed. We complete documentary criteria for in the detailed evaluation of the bids and pass the preliminary examination, the bank shall apply non-discretionary criteria, including the following: completeness of bids, arithmetical corrections, evaluation on equal footing, rule of discrepancies. Bid prices in figures versus words prevail. Total price per item versus unit price prevails. Total price versus actual sum component items, actual sum prevails. Unit cost and bill estimate versus unit cost and BOQ prevails. And total calculated bid prices. Post-qualification. Post-qualification shall verify, validate, and ascertain all statements made and documents submitted by the bidder with the LCD using non-discretionary criteria as stated in the bidding documents. These criteria shall consider but shall not be limited to legal requirements, technical requirements, and financial requirements. If the bank determines that the bidder with the lowest calculated bid passes all the criteria for the post-qualification, it shall declare the said bid as the lowest calculated and responsive bid and recommend to the hope the award of contract with the said bidder at the said bid price or its calculated bid price, whichever is lower. IR Section 34.4. Lastly, for the notice of award, based on the bid evaluation report and post-qualification report, the bank should declare the lowest calculated and responsive bid and recommend to the hope the award of the contract with the bidder with the LCRP. IR Section 37.1.1. This decision shall be embodied in the bank resolution using form DPWH-INFR-40 to be submitted to the hope for approval. Within 3 calendar days from the submission of such resolution recommending award of the contract to the bidder with the LCRB, the bank shall notify all other bidders writing of its recommendation. IR Section 37.1.1.
Thank you, Engineer Tolentino. Any questions, clarifications?
Of the burn, the vivid conference complete as not
Engineer Hermela, move the PREBID conference to be adjourned and duly seconded by Engineer Emmanuel. Any additional questions? And if none, I call this PREBID conference for civil works April 2024 closed.